Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is fast approaching, more specs has been revealed. Samsung has already confirmed its August 11th Unpacked event, so we may not have to wait for long until these devices are unveiled. The leaks are going to continue right up until the event. The latest only today brings us the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 wallpapers. Samsung has gone for an impressionist vibe with the new wallpapers for the upcoming foldable devices. It's keeping that butterfly silhouette for the Galaxy Z Fold 3's wallpapers as we've seen with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, it just appears to be more ornate and as if it's been painted by hand. We get similar vibes from the Galaxy Z Flip 3 wallpapers. The colors are vibrant and the abstract design really makes them look quite unique. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 wallpapers are available in 4 different color combinations, so you can download them now and start using them on your existing foldable devices should you so desire. They'll only really fit the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Flip. This leak includes the wallpaper for the Galaxy Z Fold 3's cover display as well. The color and design are consistent with the wallpaper for the internal foldable display. The Z Fold 2 is a powerful phone with the best specs on the market aside from its storage, with a maximum of 256 GB and no tray for a microSD card to expand its space. Users had no choice but to deal with it. Even giving the option for a 512 GB or 1 TB storage option would be acceptable, with a microSD slot ideal, but 256 GB feels criminal for a device that's supposed to be so central to your personal and professional lives. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. The Z Fold 2 has a decent spread of cameras, but it misses out on the powerful shooters on Samsung's other phones. The trio of rear 12MP cameras, main, ultra-wide, telephoto don't measure up to the Samsung S20 Ultra's 108MP main and 48MP 4x optical telephoto lenses, which combine for their stunning 100x space zoom capability. Samsung is also unlikely to feature a half-baked solution in their premium, foldable lineup, especially with the Galaxy Note series now being terminated. So either Samsung will drop the project from the Galaxy Z Fold 3 if it compromises too much with the display or the camera, or they would be confident the results produced are worthy of a $2,000 flagship. S Pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra, finally ending the Galaxy Note and Galaxy Tab exclusivity for the S Pen, it becomes a no-brainer that the next foldable needs to support the S Pen too. After all, a larger screen device is a perfect medium for making use of S Pen-enabled creative applications. For S Pen support to materialize, Samsung would need to make some changes to the display to support stylus input without damaging the flexible display on the inside. The company could possibly make the ultra-thin glass thicker on this device, along with other changes. This shouldn't materially impact the user experience, so we're curious to see what changes are brought about. Despite being around twice the size of a typical smartphone, the Z Fold 2 has a 4,500 mAh battery, which has been surpassed by even budget phones like the Moto G8 Power and its 5,000 mAh battery. Are you excited about the upcoming foldable devices? Let me know in the comment below. Please support the channel by subscribing, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.